What's up, guys? It's Ramon from NyneBlockGaming&Collectibles coming at you with a opening of the Secret Lair Drop Series winner, December drop. No, I forget what they had. I'm pretty sure it was December drop. Now, I didn't order every single one. I got the ones that I liked. So I did not order the complete winter drop. Some of these were a little not down my alley as far as the cards, not stuff that I play. So I just ordered the stuff that I play. So we got the special guest Kazidon, Another Story, The Art of Frank Frazetta, Meaning of Life, maybe, DJ Scarab God, Wizards of the Street, and we got our Transformers Optimus Prime vs. Megatron. We're going to start with this one. Fate rarely calls upon us at a moment of our choosing. Cool saying right there. Here's the box for the Transformers. More than meets the eye. Let's open this up. So we get the Cybertron command tower here. The adhesive they used on this was really strong. It was hard to pull that off the back. So, fair warning to you guys, don't wreck your cards trying to pull that off. So, you get Optimus Prime. That is a flip card. So Optimus Prime on both sides. That is actually a Dark Steel Colossus. You can sleeve it up in either fashion. You get the Allspark, which is doubling cube. Both sides. I actually got mine damaged right there. You can see in the corner. I don't think it's enough that I'm going to worry about trying to message them. Then we have Megatron. Which is Blight Steel Colossus. So that is the Transformers. Let's do the Wizards of the Street now. Just the thank you card that comes in to protect the cards on the inside, and the cards are here. So we have For All in front. Pain in the butt opening these. I'm gonna get my trusty scissors. There we go. Apologize for the delay. So we got Brawl, Chief of Compliance, Spellseeker, gray EDH staple right here, Magus of the Wheel, or the wheel, and a Kess Dissident Mage with a Frenetic Sliver for the bonus card. I'll open up the Scarab God last. That was a bonus. You had to order, I think, over $250 worth of cards in order to receive it. And if so, you receive that as an extra bonus. Cool little notebook. Thank you for being a part of the Secret Lair. This one is wax paper packaging. Opens a lot easier than the plastic. So we got Forced Fruition, Future Sight, Mental Misstep. This is why I ordered this card. Mind's Die, or this Secret Lair, just to get those mental missteps for my EDH deck. Mind's Dilation, Well of Lost Dreams, and a Shadow Sliver. Look at that guy. Well of Lost Dreams, Mind's Dilation, misstep. Now here we have the art of Frank Frazetta. Another wax paper packaging on this one. I think this is the one with the Dark Ritual. Another one I ordered for just a Dark Ritual borderless version in my EDH. Granted, it's a playable card in Legacy as well. But I think I'd buy more singles if I wanted to go that route. Running maybe Reanimation. A Reanimator. Field Marshal, Temporal Manipulation, beautiful, beautiful Dark Ritual. Midnight Reaper, Seize the Day, and Lightning Strike seems to be the guaranteed card for that. It is a really cool Lightning Strike. Too bad it's not playable in much else. Now here we are with the special guests, Kazindan, another story. Another thank you card like this. Appreciate this packaging. So we have the Sarah Ascendant, Rapid Hybridization, Demonic Consultation, EDH staple. Winds of Change, a couple EDH staples in this, Lanelore Elves, and a Tempered Sliver. And last but not least for this opening, we're going to have the Scarab God. Look how cool this guy is. DJ Scarab God. Look at him on the turntables. Has a little DJ up there. Pretty cool card. There you go, guys. That's it for this opening. I apologize that I did not get the whole thing. But again, Wizards is saying it right now themselves. Order the product if it suits you, which is what I did. We're releasing a lot of Secret Lair drops. It's coming very costly to try to keep up, especially on the opening side of things. Hopefully the next one has a lot of staples that I wouldn't mind purchasing the whole thing. But these are the ones that talk to me, so these are the ones I bought, guys. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more content from me, subscribe to the channel to be notified as I release videos. Alright, guys. See ya.